When it comes to his patients, UK healthcare labor and delivery nurse Jerry Ping has one goal in mind.
I want to give my patient an experience that they won't be able to get it anywhere else.
For the UK College of Nursing alum, a typical day's work starts in the locker room, where he preps for the day ahead by grabbing an instrument he calls crucial to his job.
I think I have 4 ukuleles at home, and I keep one here in the hospital.
It turns out Jerry's hobby comes in handy while he's on the clock.
Usually before they are in labor, I'll tell them, okay, this is your motivation. If you can deliver the baby while I'm here, I'll sing to you and your baby. So sometimes they might push harder so they can deliver the baby while I'm still at work.
But if not, he'll still make time to fulfill his promise.
I'll just go back after they have moved to the mother-baby unit so I can sing to them.
As he's doing today for baby Aiden and his family.
Oh my baby, I'm so happy to hold you. Music is a nice way to celebrate.
But Jerry actually started this tradition as an act of comfort for a mother who didn't have a happy ending.
At one time, I sang to a patient who lost her baby. So I went back to check on her, and I told her, well, I would sing to you. And her family and she really thought it was a good idea to make that experience a positive one instead of a negative experience. So I did sing to them, and they really appreciated what I did.
He says most of his performances now center around the joy of new life.
The most popular one is Happy Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Because we just have a baby born. Birthday to you. And another one is Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. I have like different songs for Christmas, Valentine's Day, Easter. So even I don't have good voice, I think my patients, they appreciate that I'm willing to take the time to come back and to sing to them and to their babies.
Though his target audience, a newborn, isn't usually the most responsive, Jerry likes knowing that he's helping a new life begin on a positive note.
I think seeing them holding the baby in their arms, I know I made a difference in someone else's life. I will always love you.
For UK Now, I'm Amy Jones.